Today we're going to make some crawfish flavored wine. You're going to remove a quart out of your bottle. You need a gallon of spring water and remove a quart of it. Fill your pot halfway full. Put it on high heat. Put a pound of sugar in there. Now, if you're going to try this, it's something you need to check out. Now, I've heard that large amounts of salt will kill the shit out of your yeast, but that's not been proven. And I don't know. So, I found this, which I don't normally use this to make crawfish with. I normally use something more like this. Louisiana, Zatarain's, and but you can't use this one because the main ingredient is salt. This one, there's no salt in. They just tell you to add your own salt. So, McCormick, you can find it. It's got mustard seed, dill seed, bay leaves, red pepper, black pepper, and coriander seeds. Just like making crawfish, you're going to add the bag in here. We'll put a pound of sugar, which is 2 1/4 cups. You don't have a scale. You're going to get this flavor. We can't use real crawfish. You know, I have seen some of them Asian places, they take like shrimp and crawfish and they dry it and they turn it into like a dust, like a powder. That'd be cool to use, and maybe try that. Alright, once that comes to a rumbling boil, you're going to turn your heat off. Let it cool down. Then we're going to add it back to our jug. If you ever eat crawfish out of crawfish boil, that's basically the flavor that you're getting. There's a real cool ass company that makes potato chips called Zaps. They make a Cajun crawfish potato chip. I think they're out of Louisiana. But if you ever get a chance to get some of their potato chips, they're the best damn chips you're ever gonna get. They got Cajun crawtater, Cajun dill pickle, and the best one's called Voodoo. It's badass. It's the best chip you'll ever eat in your life. Voodoo chips. This is an idea from one of our viewers. I'm gonna get his name. I'll tell you his name when we're tasting it. I gotta get on there and see what his name was. It smells like crawfish in here. Alright. We're going to use Lalvin EC1118. It wants us to pitch our yeast at between 95 and 98.6 degrees. We're at 96 degrees. Might want to get you a thermometer for this. Worst case scenario, the yeast comes to life after it reaches, you know, it'll still come to life. You could just add this to that. It'll fucking work. But it's always a good jump start to do it this way. Make sure this is under 98.6 degrees. Because if it's over, the yeast won't like it. It's like making sea monkeys up in this motherfucker. That's a couple of sea monkeys right there. We're going to wait 5 minutes. Then we're going to add it to this. Took a temperature reading of that. It's okay to add it now. Alright, it's been over 5 minutes. So I want to stir this up again. Pour it in our jug. I want to cap it. Shake it up good and aerate it. And we're going to add an airlock to it and wait 2 weeks. Make sure you put water in your airlock. I'm going to add some. It needs a little more. Fill it halfway full, wait 2 weeks, and we'll have some wine. Alright, this is our Cajun crawfish wine. We'll move it to our secondary, clean it up. That's what we got. And we'll taste it to see if we need to reflavor. Oh yeah. That's perfect. Cajun. We're gonna let that clean up for a few more days, cold crashes. That's done as far as I'm concerned, as far as the taste goes. We'll taste it in a few days. We'll let you know. Try it. All right, here's our Cajun crawfish wine. We're gonna bottle it now. All right, we got almost 4. We're gonna call it 3.5. There wasn't much yeast left in that. All right, it's our crawfish wine. This idea came to us from our one of our viewers, Chris K. We did it. And it's good. That shit really tastes like a crawfish boil. Smells like it. Tastes like it. Tastes like, you know, boiling a crawfish boil with potatoes and corn on the cob, some crawfish. That's good shit. I'm surprised at how good this tastes. It will give you fucking heartburn though. I can tell that already. Fuck your mama! Yeah, that's instant heartburn. Tastes good though. Some jambalaya. Drinks with some jambalaya. That's good though. It's clear.